everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to see you here again. Today I am going to show you how to create this really beautiful brown golden eye makeup look, which is honestly perfect for any party, wedding, festive seasons or even a special night out. It's glamorous yet super easy once you follow these tips carefully. So if you want to learn how I created this eye makeup, then keep watching till the end. So, as you can see, I have already done this look on my left eye, and today I'll be showing you step by step how to create it onto the other eye. This way, you'll be able to see difference clearly and follow along patiently and effectively. Trust me, this may look complicated, but it's actually really simple when broken down step by step. So first of all, I am going to take this really fluffy blending brush and applying the shade that is really close to my skin tone. This will work as in my transition shade. I am applying this all over my crease area using a fluffy blending brush. The key here is to use a windshield wiper motion, going back and forth so the product is blended evenly. Next, I am picking up a slightly darker brown eyeshadow. I am not loading too much product on my brush because I want to build the intensity slow. With a precise brush, with applying it outer corner of my eye and gently dragging it along my crease. I am also creating really soft arch to match the shape that I have already made on the other eye. Remember, don't rush this step. Patience is everything when it's come to the blending. I am slowly filling the outer corner with the leftover product instead of dipping into the eyeshadow again and again. This way it looks smooth and not patchy. So now, to add more depth, I am taking a darker brown eyeshadow using the same precise brush. I am applying it to the very outer corner of my eye in a very small V shape. This step really helps to lift the eye and add the dimension. I am blending it inward just a little, making sure it transitions beautifully into the lighter brown we applied earlier. Next I am picking a warm yellow tone eyeshadow and applying it and blending it softly above the crease area. This helps in creating a smooth and seamless transition between the browns and the golden shade we'll be applying it later. As you can see, it adds a really warm and glowing effect on the eye look. After applying the yellow, I am going back with my brown eyeshadow and blending it two shades together. This avoids any harsh line and gives a professional looking gradient effect. So to give my eyes more definition, I am applying darker eye brown shadow onto my crease area. I am also slightly dragging it outwards beyond this really good arch that I have created. So I am just blending these three shades together, the slightly brown shade, the middle brown shade, the yellow shade and the darker brown shade together so that a really good transition will get created here. After blending these eyeshadows together, with the help of this precise brush, I am taking out this concealer and applying it to the middle center of my eyelid. So I am applying this concealer onto my lid using very light hand to avoid any harsh lines or patchiness. To set this base, I am going to apply inside loose banana powder. So now comes the star of this look, the golden shimmer eyeshadow. I am using a liquid eyeshadow in the golden shade from the inside. I am applying it directly on my eyelid using it once. At first you'll notice some harsh lines, but don't worry. With the help of ring finger, I am gently dabbing the edges to blur them out. This makes the golden shade blend beautifully into the brown shades without looking too sharp or edgy. So to balance this out, I am going to put the leftover product, whatever it is on the brush, onto my crease area and using the same motion which I have used already. To give my eyes more definition, I am applying a really dark eyeliner on my waterline. I am also applying slightly dragging it outwards beyond the lash line, then using my fingertip to smudging it softly so it look blurred and smoky instead of harsh. So now I am applying the same darker brown eyeshadow onto my lower lash line to complete this entire eye look. So using the really tiny precise brush, I am creating and dragging this eyeshadow outwards to create a separate wing from the wing that I have already created on my upper eyelid. So now I am taking Mars 5 eyeliner and I am applying this eyeliner on my waterline to get a really precise look. So here I am also dragging this eyeliner outwards and using my finger to diffuse it in order to get this really soft eye look. So now I am using this Flormal eyeshadow palette and I am using this really beautiful eyeshadow from this palette to highlight my brow bones. I am applying heavy false lashes in order to complete this eye look. To brighten up the eyes, I am taking a silver liquid eyeshadow with a very tiny precise brush and applying it on my inner corners. This instantly opens up the eyes and gives that extra sparkle. You can also use an eye highlighter here if you do not have any eyeshadows. It's works just as well. So I am applying diamond bindi here. So yeah, this is the final look. Do let me know what you think about this look and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to The Cat Eye. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.